That's a rescued baby bird. Yes, very young, nestling baby bird. So I've come here to pick him. The reporter contacted me to rescue this bird, and he said the baby bird fell off in his balcony and he needs to be rescued. There's no one to take care of. His parents are, yeah, the parents have disappeared. Yes. The nest fell down directly, so the reporter kept in the basket this nesting materials. So I'm gonna take him my home. I'm gonna foster for a month at least. So after that, when he will wean, he's gonna be released.